If you want to get marginal revenue from your inverse demand function, we just need to take the partial derivative with respect to Q of the total revenue function. So total revenue is price times quantity. So we've got price here, and we're just going to multiply a quantity into it, and that gives us total revenue. So total revenue would be 120 times Q minus 1/2 Q squared. Okay, so that's the total revenue function. It's just price times quantity. Now, if I want marginal revenue, I need to take the partial derivative with respect to Q. So if you're not familiar with that, this is Q to the 1 right here. So to partial derivative, we take this exponent, we multiply it by that coefficient, which just means number on the front end. And then we take away one of the exponents. So this would be 1 minus 1. So that's actually Q to the 0. And Q to the 0 is the same as 1. So it can just go away because it's redundant. So it'd be like 120 times 1. And then we subtract 2 times 1/2. And then we take 1 away from that, which leaves us with Q1. So 2 times 1/2 is 1. So this would be like 1Q. And then 2 minus 1 is just Q to the 1. Now I don't need to write it that way. I don't need to write 1Q1 because Q to the 1 is just Q. And then I don't need that particular 1 right on there. So your marginal revenue from that inverse demand function is right here. And of course, there's a trick. If you want, you could, whenever it's linear, you can just multiply this number by 2 and then leave it and you get the same answer.